Hey, what's up guys? I want to show you how to set up a iPad. This is a 10.2-inch iPad Wi-Fi 128 gigs that I just got, and we're going to go ahead and set this up. Okay, so first thing is you want to go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English here. Your country, I'm in the United States. Quick setup, I'm going to go ahead and set up manually here. Wi-Fi, go ahead and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Mine is right here. Password. After you put your password in, tap on join. It may take a few minutes to activate this iPad. Data and privacy, go ahead and tap on continue. Fingerprint, touch ID, I would advise go ahead and set this up now, but you can always set it up later as well. I'm going to go ahead and set it up now, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on continue. And now place your finger on the home button here, and I'm going to place it, let go. Touch it, let go. Touch it, let go. Touch it. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, go ahead and now we're going to do the edges of our fingers. Okay, click on continue, and then we're going to kind of do the edges here. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. There we go. Go ahead and tap on continue. Now you will have to create a passcode here. And once you do it the first time, it should ask you to confirm. Okay, re-enter your passcode. Then once you do that, now you can transfer like apps and datas to this iPad. You can choose if you have a backup from your previous iPad on your iCloud, or you can restore from a Mac or a PC with iTunes, or you can transfer directly from another iPad, or you can move data from an Android phone. Okay, for me, I'm just going to do a clean slate. I'm going to put down don't transfer apps or data. I want everything fresh here. Go ahead and put in your Apple ID. Once you put in your email address, go ahead and tap on return, and then put in your password. After you put in your password, we can just go ahead and tap on enter down here. A message with verification code has been sent to the other devices running iOS 10 or Mac OS Sierra or later. And I just got something on my iPhone here, and this number is on my phone, and the code is for me 401150 right there. Terms and condition, you must agree to proceed. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Express settings, you can customize your settings, or you can just go ahead and continue. I'm just going to go with continue here, that's fine with me. Keep your iPad up to date, tap on continue. Apple Pay, you can go ahead and do this now, or you can set it up later, or you don't ever have to do it, okay? For me, I'm just going to go ahead, I'll set this up later. Actually, I'll probably never use it on this iPad. Keep everything safe in the iCloud. If you want to pay 99 cents a month for 50 gigs, and go for it. If not, click on not now. You can always purchase it later as well. Here's Siri. Hey Siri, the voice assistant. You can go ahead and continue to set it up, or you can set up later in settings. I'm going to go ahead and set it up later in settings. Screen time here, you can set up later in settings, or you can go ahead and continue. I'll just go ahead and continue. App analytics, you can share with app developers, or you don't have to share. This is a preference, it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to go ahead and share with app developers. Here's your appearance, you want light or you want dark. I'm going to go with dark. You can always change that later as well. Okay, click on continue, and then tap on get started. Pretty simple. Good luck.